Hi friends, we have Swift Lxi model, and this doesn't come with audio player, it is empty there, so only dummy is there. I'm just working on it. Now I just have added the 2.1 Creative Hometheater. This is a stereo speaker, one here, and connection is taken from this. So power in, it's going properly in there as a company wiring. It's done, no cutting. And if you open the boot, what you find is the Creative Hometheater. It's a sub which I've connected. The wiring is done here. We have the base connection. Yeah. And if we go here, we also have another speaker mounted in this. See, properly it is fixed. So now we are enjoying 2.1 with bass home theater effect in the car. It's quite decent. It costed me just 2000. So I run with Axe, and if I have to go for installing the proper audio system, it costs me at least 20,000 plus. So it's just the 10% of that.